I'm going to be back on this GTO. Now that I got the part that I was missing. So let's get that one going. One of the issues this GTO has, as soon as you turn on the light switch, the voltage drops. Well, the voltage stays the same no matter what. So something's wrong with that gauge in between where it's going. So that's one of the things I'm trying to do is move all the wiring into a junction box off of this. This is only a one wire alternator. Shouldn't have like 700 wires on the damn thing. So I'm gonna move all those wires over, and then I'm gonna start moving my way down into the car and find out exactly where this issue lies. Then I get to have some oodles more fun and removing the wiring and getting, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the damaged wires out first, and then work my way that way. That's what I think I'm gonna do. It's kind of close to what I want to do. So we'll see. Here we go. Let me get you guys put up there. One of the reasons why I think they had all these wires going over like they did, let me show you. So all these wires were attached to the alternator. All these. I think they had it coming across like this for a reason, because that little wire there going down, which I'm assuming is the starter wire for the solenoid. So what I'm going to do is open this line up and see how much of this needs to be replaced, because I know he's on a budget. So we're going to try to do, and there's just a lot of splicing going on, so that's not really good. So let's get this going. Well, they've spliced this starter wire so far 3 times for this wire. Oh my goodness. Seen this quite often, but there is oil soaked inside here, which that is completely unacceptable. And at first I thought it was the tape residue, but nope, tastes like oil, smells like oil. Not good. Normal stuff. A little seepage. Looks like we got a busted one there. Just what it looks like. I haven't checked it yet. Alright. Oil. There's a lot of oil coming off the backside though. And right there, that starter's got oil on it. What the hell's going on here? Ah, shit. Oh boy. Okay. Got a little bit of seepage. Nothing bad. A couple of drips. Oil right there. Starter's just covered in some filth of oil. I'll yank that down real quick. Alright, I finally get the power wire, starter wire off. Everything looks Okay. Then you get down to here where you got electrical tape there, oil and a bulge, and more electrical tape here. So, curious what's hiding underneath this electrical tape sitting here. So, let's find out. Well, it's already, like I was saying before my phone died, it's not looking too good because I can see fresh, like someone's taped it up for a reason. Oh, yeah. Well, there's a reason why they taped it up. Damn. God. Yep. Instead of replacing it, they just wrapped it up. So I'm curious what this side's gonna look like. Not curious anymore, I already can take a guess. We're just gonna get this one replaced. Damn. Pull the electrical tape off and look what we got. Hate to see what this side looks like. Oh, where's the other one? Look at that. Got electrical tape on there too. What's up, guys? Hi. So, dug out a lot of the wiring. So we're gonna be working on this here. It is now 5:30-ish. I think I'm gonna call it done. And then I'm gonna come back and work on this one a little bit tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the shop and then get out of here by 6 o'clock and go home and have some dinner.